What's up, everyone? This is your Side Hustle Private Investigator. For those who don't know who I am, I go around investigating side hustles and reporting it back to the people that are following me in the different social media spaces. Listen, I started this side hustle thing for two reasons. Number one, to make some extra income on the side. But number two, to tell you the truth about how much you can actually make from each side hustle. So I started this Side Hustle Private Investigator thing. What I did not expect was to find a strategy that would allow me to make passive income, recurring passive income on a regular basis. I like to call it the ultimate side hustle. If you're interested in learning more about the ultimate side hustle, I'm gonna leave a link somewhere around this video. Go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to a place where you can learn a little bit more about it. But for now, this is your Side Hustle Private Investigator, and I'm out of here. Peace.